Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage Z, Sailboat, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The sailboat was newly repainted. Its old, weathered wooden hull had been sanded and patched up until it was almost as good as new. It had the same outline and the same name, Outlander, but this time the captain would be different. The man who had sailed Outlander for many years had passed away. Now the boat had been reborn, and a new captain would sail her. Questions. Is the sailboat old? How do you know that? What is the meaning of repainted in sentence 1? What would be the same about the boat? What would be different? Why would the Outlander have a new captain? In what way had the boat been reborn? Now let's check the answers. Is the sailboat old, and how do you know that? Yes, it is old, and we know that because it says it had an old weathered hull here. We also know it had been sailed for many years by its previous captain. It mentions that here. And it also mentions the boat being reborn, which suggests that it is old. What is the meaning of repainted in sentence 1? It means painted again. What would be the same about the boat? Two things here. The outline of the boat would be the same, mentions that here, and the name would be the same here. What would be different about the boat? It would have a different captain. It mentions that here. Why would the Outlander have a new captain? Sadly, because the previous captain passed away or died, and mentions that here. In what way had the boat been reborn? The boat had been repainted. It says that here. Sanded and patched up. It would also be the case that the boat would have a new captain. It says so in the last sentence. Thank you for your time. How did you go?